Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Aliul Islam. Today we will learn how to make a biodata for job. First time we have need a Word document. That's reason right click on mouse and then go to new and press Microsoft Word document. Rename it as biodata in English. Then press enter key. We have need page setup. That's reason click on layout tab and go to size and find out A4 and click it. After that press on orientation, check up portrait. Then go to margins and select on moderate. Then click on home tab and language will be Time New Romance. Click enter and then font size 24. Write down here biodata. Select 8 and Ctrl B for bold, Ctrl U for underline, center for Ctrl E. Then enter and Ctrl L for left. Unmark, underline and bold and write down here our information, but our font size will be 12. Then zoom it, write down name, press tab key, clone, father's name, press tab key, clone, mother's name, then permanent address, then present address, date of birth, then nationality, then religion, then sex, after that marital status, then blood group, after that national ID number, national ID nong, then phone number, email address, then educational qualification, after that we have need 6 column and 5 row for our educational information. So click on insert tab and click on table icon and select on 6 column 5 row. Here we write exam title, major, board / university, result, passing year, duration. Here we write down our masters, honors, HSC and SSC according to our higher education. After that we write down here job experience, after that declaration, the above information is true and correct to the best of my knowledge. Then date, press tab key, signature, press enter key and then press tab key, Aliul Islam. Then we have need here dot icon. So click on insert and then click shapes, select line, select here, automatically show up shapes style, shapes outline and click black and click again shape outline, dashes, dash. When we print out our biodata, after that we signature here and date here, and we set up our picture here. So we have need a picture box. Again, click on Insert tab and click Shapes, Rectangle. Here is our picture. Shape fill will be white and shape outline will be black, and we can set up picture here. That's the reason shapes, fill, click picture, go to our file, we find out our picture, my picture here. That's the reason click here. Okay.